let's say this is our browser that I have already opened. So you open it just as I've opened, then you type Python, python.org. You see that we have python.org on my browser. Then you press enter. You see that it will send you to the official website of Python. So when you are on the official website of Python, then you come and click on download. You see, if you click on download like this, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see different versions of Python, and they are all running Python codes, but depending on what you want, right? Let's say if you're running modern libraries, then you will have to go for Python 3.14. But some of the old libraries, for example, Pandas and NumPy are not supported by 3.14. And for that matter, it's better you go for an older version, even though not that old. We have different versions, right? 3.11, 3.12. So usually when you go for 3.11 or 3.12, it is much safer because it runs almost all the libraries that we'll be dealing with, right? Or that you'll be dealing with at the moment. And also as you grow, you'll be able to even advance or add the other versions to your system without crashing anything. Okay, so let's assume we are going to download the 3.12 since we are going to be using that one. So when you click on 3.12, you click on it like this, you see that it has send you to Python 3.12. Then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see we have different models of what pieces that you will be using, right? Let's say if you're using Mac, if you're using what Windows, you see that we have options here, but we are using Windows, so you go for Windows. So and usually Windows comes with what the 64-bit, right? That is what current machines are using. So you select the 64-bit, then you go to what you see we have installed what Windows installed 64-bit. Then you click on it, right? So when you click on it, you see that it will start downloading. You see my Python has started downloading. So when I click on it, there is it downloading. So let's wait for it to finish downloading so that we start our next step. All right, I think it is almost done. All right, it has completed. So now that it is downloaded, what we have to do is what to click on it. All right, so when we click on it, we wait for it to run. So you see that now they are saying that run. Do you see that? So there is the wizard, then the installation wizard, right? So let me click on it. So it is running. Let's wait for it. It will give us another command. So in that command, we will add some instructions. So you see that here, the most important thing is here. You see, when you are done with this one, you see that we are done. And what I'm describing as most important is this aspect. You see, add Python execution to path. Do you see that? So it is important you add it like this. So when you take it like this, then you are done. You come here and then what you click on installed now. So you ensure that you add this one and click on install now. It will be installed on your system. But since I have already installed Python, there's no need to install the same version on my system. So that is how you install Python and you start running it like a pro without difficulties.